Hello friends, we are continuing the lesson. How did the dog found himself his master? In the previous lesson we learned that how the dog found his first master, and that was a wolf. Then he followed a bear because he saw that the bear was stronger than the wolf. So here the next portion. Seeing that the bear was stronger than the wolf, the dog decided to take up service with him, and he left the wolf and asked the bear to be his master. The bear agreed to this readily and said, "Let us go find a herd of cows. I will kill a cow and then we can both eat our fill." So after that, the dog decided to go with the bear. So the dog asked to the bear, "Will you please accommodate me?" And the bear is agreed. Then the bear said that, "Let us go and find a herd of cows." Herd of cows means a group of cows. There the bear will attack that cows and they both will eat a cow. Then they walked on and soon saw a herd of cows. और उसके बाद उस लोग ऐसे घूमने के लिए शुरू हो गया और उन्होंने देखा कि एक ग्रुप ऑफ cows is eating grass. But just as they were about to come up it, they were stopped by a terrible noise. जब उस लोग उसके पास में जा रहे थे, when they are approaching the group of cows or the herd of that cows, a terrible noise means a very big noise is derived from there. The cows were moving loudly and running in a panic all direction. तब क्या हो गया, एक बहुत बड़ा आवाज़ उन लोग सुना और the cows started in different directions. The cows started to run all the way. हर एक जगह पे cows क्या हो गया, split हो गया और भाग रहे. The bear looked out from behind a tree and then he too ran fastly deeper into the forest. The bear was standing, you can see the picture. The bear was standing behind the tree and then he saw something is happening there, and the bear is also ran away, which means उसके मतलब ये है कि bear ने देखा उससे भी बहुत बड़ा strong आदमी को. Then the bear saw a person who is stronger than him, so that's why he is run away from behind the tree. "Now why did I have to come here?" said he to the dog. "It is a lion who rules the forest in these parts." "The lion? Who is he?" "Don't you know? He is the strongest beast on earth." "Well then, I will say goodbye to you, bear. I want to a master who is stronger than anyone on earth." जब वो भाग गया, when the bear started to run away, the dog asked, "Why you are running?" तो डॉग ने पूछा, क्यों आप भाग रहे हो? Then the bear answered that was a lion and he is stronger than me. So ये bear ने बोला कि वो lion मेरे से भी बहुत बड़ा strong person है. He is stronger than me. He will kill me. Therefore I run away and hide in the forest. So the dog decided to say goodbye to the bear and he started to follow the lion. And off the dog went to ask the lion to be his master. The lion agreed to it and the dog stayed with him and served him for a long time. It was a good life and he had nothing to complain of, for there was no stronger beast in the forest than lion, and no one dared touch the dog or offend him in any way. तब क्या हो गया, the dog started to follow the lion. The lion is too stronger, they have in a good life. उस लोग एक अच्छा life follow कर रहे थे. He is very strong, the lion is very strong, so no one is came to attack the dog because he was living with the lion. And during that time, one day what happened? But one day the two of them were walking side by side a long path that ran at bare cliffs, when all of a sudden The lion stopped. He gave a great roar and struck on the ground angrily with his paw. Struck force and hold formed there. Then he began to back away very quietly. What is it, master? Is anything wrong? Asked the dog, surprised. I smell a man coming this way, the lion said. We would better run for it, or we will be in trouble. Oh, well, then I will say goodbye to you, lion. I want to a master who is stronger than anyone on the earth. And off the dog went to join the man, and he stayed with him and served him faithfully. This happened long, long ago, but to this day, the dog is the man of the most loyal servant, knows no other master. Then what happened? One day, एक दिन, lion and the dog was walking together. During that time, the lion smelled the man. He got a smell of man who is coming in that path. Therefore, the lion started to run away. The lion started to run away. So, the dog asked, what happened to you? And he replied that I saw a person. The man is coming on that way. The man is stronger than anyone. So that's why the dog is a very good servant for human beings, because the human being is the strongest man in the earth, on the earth. That's why the dog is a good servant for a man. That's all for this story. Let us discuss the answers.